The first thing you need to do is figure out how many of each letter that we need there are. So we're looking for math, M-A-T-H. So here's letter M right here. There are 2 M's. And then we look for letter A. Here's letter A right here. There are 9 A's. Then we look for letter T. Here's letter T here. There are 6 T's. And finally, then we look for letter H back up here. There are 2 H's. So to figure out how many there are of everything, we just add all these up. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. Now, we were told in the problem that there are 100 total tiles, and we want 19 of them. So the probability of selecting one letter from M, A, T, or H is 19 out of 100.